Welcome to this week's episode of EThekwini News in 60 seconds. EThekwini Municipality has achieved an improved audit outcome for the 2024-25 financial year as presented at full council meeting, reflecting solid progress in strengthening financial management, performance reporting and overall governance. EThekwini Mayor Councillor Cyril Xaba has welcomed the release of the Durban Business Confidence Index for the fourth quarter of 2025, which shows a notable improvement in business sentiment, with the index rising from 52.12 points in the third quarter to 63.38 points in the fourth quarter of 2025. Qatar Airways has announced a significant expansion of its South African operations, confirming that it will increase frequencies on the Durban-Doha route to 7 weekly flights, effective from the 1st of March 2026. That's it for this episode. Catch you next week.